Hi everyone, welcome to Bharti Yoga. I'm Bharti. Today we'll be doing a short yoga practice that will help you to wind down before you are ready to hit the bed. This gentle practice will help in stimulating the parasympathetic nervous system, which helps in promoting rest and relaxation. You can do this one right in your bed. So once you are ready, let's get going. Let us start by coming into an easy cross-legged sitting position. Let's start by just doing a few gentle neck rolls. So take your head to the right side and then gently rotate it back and then to the front. Make the rotations slow and just breathe into any tightness you feel anywhere. One last one. And let's change the direction. Keep the shoulders relaxed. Last round. And come back to center. Let's come into a tabletop position with hands under the shoulders and knees below the hips. And let's just do a few gentle cat-cow stretches. Inhale, look up. Exhale, curl the spine and bring the chin to the chest. Again, inhale, curl up. Exhale, curl down. Inhale, up. Exhale, curl down. Inhale, up. Exhale, curl down. Last one. Come back to center. Now let's just do a few hip rotations in this position. So just start rotating your tailbone in clockwise direction a few times. And let's just reverse. Just breathe into any tightness you feel in the hips and the thighs. Last round. Very good. Now let's come back down and we are going to do a gentle Janu Shirshasana now. So extend the right leg out and bring the left leg in close to the perineum. Look towards the right foot. As you inhale, gently extend the arms up. And as you exhale, fold forward to come into Janu Shirshasana. You should feel a nice stretch in the back of the right leg. You can keep the right foot slightly pointed back. Just breathe into the stretch you feel here. And slowly come back up. Let's do it for the other side. Extend the left leg out. Inhale, extend the arms up. Exhale, fold forward. Keep the left foot flexed. And just breathe into the stretch in the left hamstring. One more deep breath. And slowly come back up. Now just sit back in a wide-legged Vajrasana. And if you have a couple of pillows, just grab them. And let's just come down into child's pose. Inhale, elongate the spine. Exhale, just fold forward, bringing your forehead to the pillows to come into child's pose. Slowly come up. Then just bring both the feet together in front in butterfly legs. Grab the feet with your hands. Feel a nice stretch in the inner thighs and groin area. Inhale, elongate the spine. Exhale, just bend forward, bringing the palms of your elbows onto the bed. And let's just take a few deep breaths here. Breathing into the opening in the thighs and hips. Staying in this position, just recline back to come into Supta Baddha Konasana or the reclined butterfly pose. You can just slightly raise your bums, elongate the tailbone, and then come back to release any pressure from the lower back. And let's just relax here for a few deep breaths. As you inhale, feel your belly rising up, and as you exhale, the belly goes down. Inhale deeply, exhale slowly. Then bring the soles of the feet onto the bed. Bring them slightly more than hip distance apart, and we'll just do a gentle twist here. So take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, start lowering both the knees towards the left side. Bring the hands on either sides and come back to center. Exhale, bring the knees to the right side and come back to center. Let's do this dynamically a few times. Breathe into the stretch you feel in the front of the thighs. Last round. And come back to center. Bring both the knees in and grab the shins with your arms. coming into Pavan Muktasana. You can just roll side to side, giving a nice massage to your spine. Finally, let's get into Vipreet Karni, or legs up on the wall. So if you have a headboard or a wall close to your bed, just bring the feet up onto the wall and let's just rest here for a few breaths. It's great for releasing the lower back. Keep taking deep breaths here. Once you're ready, gently turn to one side and bring the legs down. And you can now come into Shavasana. And just go to bed. Hope you enjoyed this practice. Take care and bye-bye.